course you are. I'll play you both.
Can't you see we're already playing?
All right, then I think I'll get an ice cream soda.
You can't.
Soda fountain doesn't open till noon. Oh, no, we'll see about that. Hey, Tessa, hey, you, come here.
Well, are you the three important customers?
Yes. Have you any money?
I got a dime.
That's not enough. We have 3 chocolate ice cream sodas. Make them big ones.
You know, we're not supposed to open till noon, don't you?
You've got nothing else to do.
Oh, of course. You'd know all about that.
I know everything about this ship. I've been all over it.
Meet with your approval?
It's all right.
Crew would be glad to know that. All right, drink 'em up, boys, and don't take all day, huh?
There's no hurry. We're going to have another.
This'll be enough for me. Me, too.
Ah, what's the matter with you? I could have 5 or 6 of these.
Yes, you could.
You bet I can. Make another.
But I'll be glad to make 'em for you, even though I know you can't.
Yeah, I'll show you. There. You didn't think I could do it, did you?
That's fine. You certainly surprised me.
I think I'll go and meet my father now.
That's the boy. And go and eat a great big lunch now.
Look, he's getting sick. He's gonna be sick.
Oh, I hadn't counted on that.
I am not. I feel fine. I can go and meet my father if I want to, can't I?
Come on, I'll bet you anything.
Which way is it to the deck? How do I get outdoors?
First to your right.